Good morning, students. I am Manikant Mishra, Modern English School, New Area. Today I am going to discuss the characteristics of mixture. In earlier volume, we had already discussed about the mixture and its types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Now let us talk about the properties of mixture. Mixture is generally heterogeneous except solution which is homogeneous in nature. Mixture shows the properties of all the constituent present therein. As for example, if you take salt and sugar and grind it and mix it well, and if you taste it, then it will be salty sweet. It shows the properties of sugar as well as salt. So it means in a mixture, it shows the properties of all the constituent present therein. Next properties of mixture. During the preparation of mixture, neither energy is evolved nor it is absorbed, either in the form of heat, light, sound. Next, mixture do not have fixed chemical formula to represent it. Mixture do not have fixed melting point and boiling point. The component of a mixture can be separated by simple physical process. So these are the characteristics of a mixture. What are those? Mixtures are generally heterogeneous except solution. Mixture shows the properties of all the constituent present therein. Component of a mixture can be separated by simple physical process. Mixture do not have definite chemical formula to represent it. Mixture do not have fixed melting point and boiling point. During the preparation of mixture, neither energy is evolved nor it is absorbed. These are the properties of a mixture. Now just during the characteristics we have talked about mixture are generally heterogeneous except solution. Now what is a solution? When you take the water and add little amount of sugar and mix it well, and if you taste throughout the solution, throughout this mixture have same degree of sweetness. So this resulting mixture is called solution. So what is a solution? It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. What is a solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. So solution is formed by the combination of solute and solvent. What is a solvent? The component of a solution which dissolve the other component of a solution. What is a solvent? The component of a solution which dissolve the other component of a solution is called solvent. What is a solute? The component of a solution which gets dissolved in a solvent. What is a solute? A substance which dissolve in a solvent is called solute. It means when we take the water and sugar, so water act as the role of a solvent and sugar act as the role of a solute. So solutions are generally homogeneous in nature. So here sugar is a solid and the water is in liquid. We are talking about a solution like a soda water solution. Here gas is a solute and water is a liquid. We are taking another solution like alloy, in which both the phase solute as well as solvent both are in the solid. So what is alloy? Homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or non-metal. What is an alloy? Homogeneous mixture of two or more metals and non-metal. So alloy is an example of a solid solution. So as example of alloy is brass. So in a brass, copper metal and zinc metal is there. Bronze, copper and zinc. Bronze, copper and tin. Copper and tin is an alloy of a bronze. Now, characteristics of solution. First, solution is homogeneous in nature. Often we called as a solution as also true solution. Both are the same. Solution is a perfectly homogeneous in nature. Second, the size of the solute particles in a solution is of the order of 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Next, the solute particles cannot be seen even under the power. Solute particles cannot be seen even with the help of a powerful microscope. Solute particles do not have tendency to settle down. In a solution, the solute particles do not have tendency to settle down. The solute particles cannot be separated by the process of filtration. Solute particles in a solution do not show Tyndall effect. It means the particles, when a ray of light is allowed to pass, the solute particles is not able to scatter the light. So this scattering of light is not possible in the case of solution. So these are the characteristics of a solution. Thank you. Have a nice day.